Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video we are doing a master bedroom makeover and it is a full transformation. You're not going to want to miss this one. We're building furniture, we're building a bed, we're building bedside tables, and we're also flipping some stuff and decorating the full room. So let's get started. So here's what the room looked like before I did anything. It's a pretty big room, so I'm going to be splitting this makeover into two parts. But first, I'm getting started with building the bed. I built this bed from scratch, and if you want to see all the details on how to build this bed, I'll link the video in the description box below. I have a full tutorial listed on my channel, so you can check it out there. Let me go ahead and show you what we're gonna do today. I got the color Incredible White from Sherwin and I got a gallon of it. Now a gallon is not going to be enough to paint this room, but I kind of wanted to sample it. Now I did kind of do some samples already on this wall, and I got these from Lowe's, but they're all Sherwin colors. So I decided I don't really feel like these are what the colors are supposed to be, so I went to Sherwin and got the actual paint from there. But this is like my sample paint because it's so many shortages that they didn't have actual samples and they didn't have the quarts, so they were like, we only have a gallon, that's the smallest thing we have, so a gallon would do. And I think this is the color that I'm going to use because I've seen it on other people's walls, but I'm not sure how it's going to work in this room because, you know, lighting is everything in a room. It affects how the paint reflects and everything like that. So we're going to go ahead and get painting and start, and I'm just going to paint this wall because it has a nice area where the light comes in and I can kind of see how it's going to look in the room. So yeah, let's go ahead and paint. So after I've built my bed and the room is painted, I decided to go ahead and build some nightstands from scratch. And I have this video linked in the description box if you want to build these also. It's a full tutorial, so you can check it out there. But I've built these from scratch and I decided this was the best option. This saved me so much money on this makeover. I was making sure that I stayed in a budget, and doing this helped me to do so. I built two of the bedside tables for under $200, so I suggest going with this option. The next part of this bedroom makeover, I'm going to be working on this here dresser. It has been in the room for years and I want to keep it because it's real wood. So what I decided to do was just add a new finish onto it. So I have to strip off the existing finish, and I stripped it off with a paint stripper, and then I'm also sanding it down to bare wood. And once I did that, I added my finish, which I use is the Varathane in the color Brush Smoke. It's a premium stain, and I use it on my nightstands also. So this gave it a huge update and made it look so good. Now that we have our bedside tables built, the bed built, we have the dresser, I flipped that, I didn't build that one. And then now I'm about to go ahead and walk you all through the everything. So let's go ahead and get started and finish off this room makeover. So I'll have everything linked in the description box below, the decor I use and everything like that. I told you all I built most of this furniture, so I'll link those videos in the description box also. I've taken literally months to find the pieces that I wanted to use in this room, and I'm finally feeling like I'm ready for it to come together and show you all. I've been working on this for a minute and I just was not ready. Now I feel like I still want to add stuff slowly into the room, but that's going to be down the line. I may build a bench to sit on and stuff like that, so just stay tuned. I'm going to be posting videos, but for right now I'm very happy with what the room is. This is my mother's room and she loves it, so I'm just gonna say it looked way better than it did before, so I'm not pressuring myself to get it any more better. Now I also want to say with this trick I used a duvet cover and I put 2 duvet inserts inside of it to make it very fluffy and thick, so it has that hotel bed look. And I say this literally works. I'll have them linked in the description box. I got the duvet cover from Target and the duvet inserts from Amazon, so they'll be linked in the description box, but I wanted to share that trick with you all. It's amazing. It literally worked so good. Here is the finished results of the room. I am so in love with it and my mother is very happy with her room. I want you all to stay tuned for part 2 because we have a whole other half of the room to do. Please show love on this video. Tell me what you like. Give it a huge thumbs up if you like this video. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.